Welcome to another video, and it is your boy Chef Andre Davy, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to prepare tamarind leaf tea, and I'll be also telling you guys some amazing benefit of this tamarind tea. So firstly guys, what we're gonna need some tamarind, and it's best when the tamarind leaves are dry. Okay guys, so we're gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of tamarind to our glass. Okay guys, and then from there we're gonna go ahead and pour some boiling water over our tamarind, and we're gonna allow this to steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and sweeten with honey, and we will be adding in some lemon juice also guys. So the benefit of this tea guys includes and not limited to: tamarind leaves are considered to be very effective in erasing joint pain and swelling because of their anti-inflammatory properties. Okay guys, and tamarind leaf is also rich in ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and tamarind acid that help in building your immunity naturally guys. A tamarind leaf extract which can be soaked. You can go ahead and soak the tamarind leaf guys for a few hours, but it's more effective when you make the tea. So this recipe guys is effective for relieving cold, cough, sore throat. Yeah, so as I said before, all you need is a tamarind leaf, some boiling water, lemon juice, and you're gonna need honey to sweeten guys. Tamarind leaves provide relief from malaria. It can cure jaundice and diabetes. It helps to cure cervix, and it is good for helping to heal your wounds. Okay guys, this tamarind tea is good if you're trying to lose weight guys. It also aids in your digestion and allow you to have a healthy heart, and it also prevents peptic ulcer. Some people may be allergic to enzymes present in this plant, so guys, before consuming, please go ahead and consult your doctor. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in another one pretty soon.